I was recently working on a project where I had a lot of these sort of wheels in this plate over here in the sub-assembly, and what happened was I kind of replaced these wheels with another wheel. So the wheels were bigger, the wheels had become smaller, so I just replaced this piece over here, but what happened was it broke a lot of the constraints, and the components, all of these components over here were separate pieces. So what I did was, because I think about 60 sub-assemblies, or 60 of these assemblies with the plate and the four wheels, with all the nuts and the bolts and etc. I just thought that instead of going through every single one and fixing, there were about 4, 5, 6 different constraints that were broken, and fixing every single constraint, I thought to consolidate everything into an assembly, and then place it into each part on the plate in all those other 60 different assemblies. The problem came here, and you might have seen this, is that I thought, okay, great, I can't have this assembly structure over here because it's not going to fit in with my bill of materials and how that's supposed to look like. So I decided, okay, great, let's go and promote these. So you can either select it, right click, go to component over there, and then go promote. Or what you can do is just grab it and drag it one up above that sub-assembly. So instruction operation may result in a loss of features, etc., etc. And I said, okay, great, let's go yes. Now, look what's happened over here. All my other wheels have disappeared. Now, the problem that we kind of see ourselves facing over here is that they haven't just disappeared in this one. It would have disappeared in all the delete this assemblies in all my other sheet metal plates and with the four wheels attached to it. So this sort of method is definitely not going to work. So what I did was, because these are all the same assembly, I needed to make them different assemblies. So this is I can just go to here and I go save and replace, and you can just name it anything, like 1 for instance. Okay. And there we go. So now what happens, because it's a different assembly, I can go and just drag and drop this out. And you'll see there that it brings it out, and also it keeps that constraint over there. But, obviously over there you'll see in my one, there's no more components over there as well. And I can just go and delete that. Okay, so there we go. So basically running through each one of these, and yes, it is a bit of a manual process, but this was the only way that I could actually see myself getting this assembly done. So let's make this 3, and then save and replace. We'll make it 4. And okay, you could go to the prompts and just say, listen, don't prompt the next time, just to lessen the clicks. And then you can see over here, I can go and grab this and drag it out. Oopsie, just drag it out over there. Yes. Select, pull it out. And as I said, do not show this message again in the session. Go yes. So you don't have to do that extra click to say that yes, you do want to do this. The inventor must just know that you are doing this. So there we go. Select, right click, delete. And I have got my components, my wheels in it. So there we oh dear. Obviously this wheel wasn't fully constrained when I had put this in over here. So just make sure before you do this that everything is constrained within the subassembly as well, so that when you do pull this out, everything is constrained accordingly and to your satisfaction. Great, thanks very much for watching.